Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Hello Kitty Tamagotchi. This is a blast from the past for me. I love Tamagotchi. I had it when I was a kid. My sister had it. I mean, I think everybody had one back in the 90s, so it's really super that they teamed up again with Hello Kitty to create this. Now, this is actually a pet that gets helped by Hello Kitty, so you're not actually taking care of Hello Kitty. However, it's really super cute that Hello Kitty like helps you out while you take care of your pet. So adorable, my goodness. Let's get it unboxed. I want to thank Bandai for sending me my adorable Hello Kitty Tamagotchi. So super cute. This is the perfect size for a stocking stuffer if you're watching this around the holidays. Great gift. It's a great price. I'll put all the retail information in my description below. And you can also check out my blog at playliverepeat.com where I've already written about this. So let's get it unboxed and let's see how it works. Our cute little Tamagotchi friend with a Hello Kitty artwork on it. We have the bumblebee, an apple, milk, and there's little Miss Kitty herself, little Miss Kitty White. And there's a little pixelated airplane, rainbow, and a little, looks like a fishbowl. So Hello Kitty actually helps you clean up the messes after your pet. So in order to start it up, let's pull out this tab right here. Now we're gonna set the time. So right now it is 5:43. There she is, so cute. Oh, we have our little egg. So our egg is actually gonna take some time to hatch. All we have to do is just wait a minute. So let's just hang out. And while we're waiting for her to hatch, I'm just gonna let you know, this Tamagotchi is only available at Amazon and GameStop as of right now. It's going to be available at Walmart and at Target in 2021. Oh, how cute. Got a little baby to take care of now. So in order to take care of your baby, you have to feed it, take care of it, play with it, keep it busy, and keep it clean. So after it goes poop or pee, have to clean up after it. Now that our baby is born, we could cycle through it to feed it. We could also play with it. Let's give it a biscuit. Oh, look who's serving it. Piece of little cookie. Miss Kitty. Hello Kitty. Thank you, Hello Kitty. Give it some milk. Now she's serving your little baby some milk. This baby is so smart, it's already playing piano. Oh, Hello Kitty is. Oh no, I'm sorry, Hello Kitty. Now, if you read in the instructions, if you take good care of your pet with Hello Kitty, she will go on a trip to London with your pet. Pretty awesome, right? I love that it includes its ball chain, so you could take it with you on the go. It also has a little battery compartment, and you could change the battery without losing any progress, which is really cool. And it's just really super tiny, so it's perfect to put on your keychain, put in your pocket, in your handbag, just something cute as a friendly reminder just to like be present, take care of yourself, and take some time and just play, because this is so relaxing, feeding this little pet. This is the heart game. Try to catch the hearts by matching it up from where it falls. Do it before it hits. If it does, it breaks. And then you break Hello Kitty's heart. So don't do that, what I'm doing right now, hopefully. Oh no! Whoa, she's so upset. I'm so sorry, Hello Kitty. There's another game on here too. It's a balloon popping game. Oops. Whoops, you have to try to. Pop the balloons. Oh no, don't get hit by birds, but you can pop the balloons. I think you guys get the idea. I'm just waiting for this, for my pet to poop so we could see Hello Kitty clean it up. So let's keep feeding the pet. Give it lots of milk. No. Oh no, it doesn't want any more. Hopefully it can go to the bathroom soon. So I'll show you, since I have this pet, this is what it can grow up into. Pretty cute. So any 4 of these could turn into any 4 of these. Super cute. Aw, this one would have been really cute because it looks like it could be a dog, something else, like a duck. Aw. Oh, so these are the boys and this is the girls. Oh, I see. How cute. Here's the growth chart. If you meet specific conditions, Tamagotchi character can get a bow from Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. I hope I can get a bow. Okay guys, you're gonna have to follow along on my Instagram to see the progress of my Tama. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to thank Bandai for sending me the new Hello Kitty Tamagotchi. This is perfect for Easter baskets this year, especially for Hello Kitty fans. There's so much good stuff coming out by Bandai, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow me on social media like TikTok and Instagram. Info in my description below, and you can see how my baby is growing up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.